What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Lakufir TV. If you are new on this channel, kindly click the red button to subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on the post notification so that whenever I drop a new video you'll be notified. Thank you. Just in former Big Brother Naija season 6, Liko Ross dragged for allegedly hiding her child from the public. A blogger identified on Twitter as Update Reunion has dragged the first runner-up of Big Brother Naija season 6, Liko Ross, for allegedly hiding her child from the public. According to the blogger, the dancer never mentioned it throughout her stay in the Big Brother Naija house. The source also revealed that he and she has been attacked by fans of the reality star over this revelation. The Twitter user posted and said, "Liko fans attack me in my DM. Please ask your favorite to tell you the truth. She has a baby. I was shocked she did not mention in the house, waited till the end of the show, but not even to one talk about her child. You all should free me, Biko." See some of the Twitter reactions. In another news, actress Regina Daniel claims that she used Kayamata product from Jaruma to collect her husband Netnoko from his Moroccan wife Laila. Recalls that Laila announced that she has divorced the billionaire businessman. And she posted on her social media page and says, "Hello guys, I just want to say that no one has right to talk about my marriage. Please stop talking about people's lives. I have divorced already and nothing between me and him, and anybody follow me because of him, you can unfollow me, please, thank you." Shortly after Laila's announcement, some Nigerians on social media claimed this was the handwork of Jaruma product. Regina Daniel has done some influencing jobs and even made news some times ago when she said she spent over 1.5 million naira to purchase beds and chocolates from Jaruma. In her disclaimer, Regina Daniel pointed that she has never used any Kayamata product. She went on to accuse Jaruma of using any opportunity to profit of her. According to the actress, people want her against associating with Jaruma, but she refused to listen as she is not the one to judge people via other people's perceptions. So guys, what do you think about this video? Let us know your reactions. Comment below the comment section. Share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to click the red button to subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on the post notification so that whenever I post a new video you'll be notified. Thank you.